YouTube family, B-O-K family, what's going on? Y'all ready to get this? Got it? Let's go. Hey, seen some pictures, but I ain't seen them in person, so we gonna get the same first look together. And like I said before, I'm keep bringing heat and more content to this channel and different stuff. Like I said before, I don't know what it is with these lows and these shoes, but I'm continuously grabbing them and I'm loving them right now. So hey, if y'all kicking it with me and y'all like what y'all seeing, do me a favor, hit that like button. If you're returning to this video, hit that like button. Yo, and if this your first time viewing Blacked Out Kicks page, hey, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. It don't cost you nothing. Hey, let's run it up. Let's run it up. Hey, so today I got a nice little shoe. Nice little shoe. I'm bringing it to y'all. Let's get in it, man. Let's get into it. I don't know. So personally, I want to know where I want to know when you gonna go and you order for like shipping to come quick. Like I want to know where they coming from. Like, so I don't know if Goat got them sitting in their warehouse or whatever they got them sitting, but if they're saying they're ready to go as soon as possible, they get them to you within a day or two. Like I ordered these on a Friday, I think it was a Thursday or Friday, and they're here and over the weekend. They shipped them on Monday. I got them Tuesday. So I don't know where these shoes are sitting or where they at for them to have them in hand like this. What I would like to see, I don't know. I don't even know if the authentication like go through the process that quick, because I don't know the buyers and stuff like that who own Goat. So I know Goat is quick. You play that little extra $20 to $30 to have them quicker, and hey, it is what it is at that point. But I seen these. I missed out when they dropped. I wanted them, so I had to cop them. I don't have any color shoes in my collection like this, so I decided I'm gonna go ahead and this is gonna be the first thing I add to my collection. I'm putting more blues into my collection as well. Some more blues, a little bit less of the a little bit more earthy tones, and just really kind of like changing my direction of how my collection wanted to be. At first it was Jordans heavy, Jordans 4s, Jordan 3s, Jordan 1s. Like I just wanted Jordans, like just give me Jordans. And then I started really realizing what I really wanted, and Jordans wasn't really one of them things. I'm seeing that the market is saturated with Jordans, and I'm just kind of over it, right? Same thing with Nike Dunks, same thing with New Balances, like, but the quality you get when you choosing different shoes, and that's what I'm being now, more picky and choosy on what shoes I grab and the color palette that I have right now. So I'm just different right now, in a whole nother different state of shoes I want and I'm picking. So bear with me, I know I'm talking, but hey, if that's where you at and that's what your goal is to have, that's a real shoe collector to me. Is not somebody that has a bunch of shoes and because I got the hottest thing out. No, somebody that got a shoe or a collection that the shoes mean something to them, and that's what it means to me to be a shoe collector or a sneakerhead and stuff like that. Like, know your history on the shoes, know where shoes come from, know what they about, and don't just grab them just to grab them. That's not a sneakerhead to me. That's not a collector. That's just somebody who just following the hype or dream. You might like them to rock them or whatever, but it's different. It's real different. But I know I'm talking and I'm rambling. Let's get into this shoe. Let's go. Let's get into this. Shout out to Goat, like I said before. Ordered these. They got them to me real quick. And bam. So this is a Nike Dunk Low. Whoa. This color. Cacao. Wow. I didn't make this color. Cacao wow. I don't know. I didn't make this color. I don't have no idea what it is. I just know that that's what it is. So let's look into it. We gonna get the first look of this together. Let's go to it. Let's get it. Come on, right here we go. All right. Bam. Got a bunch of them. Bam. Like I said before, I don't have a lot of things in my collection this color. Man, oh man, this is these nice, yo. These nice. I wasn't expecting these to be this nice, man. I wasn't. Bam, 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 bam. I wasn't expecting these to be this nice. These are very nice. Man, these are nice. I wish they came with an extra set of laces, but I do have an extra set of laces with these. I will change the laces into that blue. I think that blue will set these off quite nice. I'm trying to see if I got a pair of blue laces laying around here somewhere. Nah, I do somewhere. They somewhere around here, but I do got that blue lace sitting somewhere around here. I think I'm gonna rock with these. Change the laces on these. Even may throw that cream in there because I think that'll really set this shoe off. This is the season for these, man. Like I said before, me personally, I don't have anything in my collection this color, so I was really like looking at this, and it got like a burgundy deep brown here on the suede with that doodle brown here, and then you got that blue check mark, which is like a rubber. It's not leather, but kind of like a rubberish. That Nike on the back, bam. Yes sir, yes sir. That Nike on the back, and yeah, man. I think this is gonna be a dope shoe. Just something different, man. The inside you got that blue. That blue, I don't know if y'all can see that. But you definitely got that blue in the inside. Hey man, say man. I think this is definitely one of them ones. That's gonna get some wear. I ain't seen these. I don't know what the price is going on these. Like I said, check on Go. I got these for around 140-ish on Go. And that's before the extra shipping and all that stuff. So, but that's what we got, man. It's a dunk. It's a dunk with a little bit more. Man, this color is just beautiful, man. This color, this blue, that blue to me just sets it off. I don't know about y'all, but this blue really set it off to me. Do me a favor, you know what I'm saying? Hit that like button, man, if y'all liking these, man. Let me know what y'all feeling. Let me know if these one of them shoes, man. I do see some imperfections, but hey, it is what it is, man. Nike is that's Nike though. Like, I've seen so many imperfections in shoes that I've got from Foot Locker and from Finish Line and these places that sell reputable shoes, and then I've gotten great shoes that look great from these goats and stuff like that. But yeah, this is a dope shoe, man. Stay tuned. We got more heat dropping the rest of this year out, man. Do me a favor, hit that like button, make sure you subscribe. Stay blessed, be blessed, and always, no matter what, find a way to get your blessings, yo. This your boy, Blacked Out Kicks, coming to you with another one. Hey, love always.